Hi, and welcome to our next video. Life can sometimes feel like a constant balancing act between spending and saving. But guess what? You don't need to feel overwhelmed by money matters anymore. Today, we're diving into practical, everyday tips to save money without sacrificing the things you love. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or just trying to stretch your paycheck further, these tips will guide you. Remember, every little step counts, and the journey toward financial freedom begins with a single decision, the decision to save. Let's get started. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. The first step to saving money is knowing where your money goes. Start by tracking your income and expenses for at least a month. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or budgeting apps to categorize your spending. Once you know your financial habits, set a realistic budget. Allocate a percentage of your income to necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. Remember, a budget isn't about deprivation, it's about control. Pro tip. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. 2. Cut back on subscriptions. Do you really need 5 different streaming services? Audit your subscriptions regularly and cancel the ones you barely use. Consider downgrading to cheaper plans or sharing accounts with family or friends. It's amazing how these small changes can add up over time. Pro tip. Use free trials wisely, but don't forget to cancel before you're charged. 3. Cook at home. Eating out frequently can drain your wallet. Cooking at home is healthier, cheaper, and a great way to experiment with new recipes. Plan your meals ahead, shop with a grocery list, and avoid impulse buys. Batch cooking and freezing meals can save you both time and money. Pro tip. Invest in a slow cooker or an air fryer. They're great for making delicious meals with minimal effort. 4. Embrace DIY projects. From home repairs to personal grooming, many tasks can be done at home with a bit of learning and effort. Watch online tutorials to learn basic skills like fixing a leaky faucet or giving yourself a haircut. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment. Pro tip. Start small and build your skills gradually. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. 5. Shop smart. Always compare prices before making a purchase. Use price comparison websites and apps to ensure you're getting the best deal. Shop during sales and take advantage of discounts, but only for items you genuinely need. Buying in bulk for non-perishable items can also save you money in the long run. Pro tip. Sign up for loyalty programs and cashback apps to earn rewards on your purchases. 6. Avoid impulse buying. We've all been there, buying something on a whim, only to regret it later. Combat this by implementing a 30-day rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait for 30 days. If you still want it after that, go ahead. Often, the urge will pass. Pro tip. Unsubscribe from marketing emails to reduce temptation. 7. Reduce energy costs. Be mindful of your energy consumption. Simple habits like turning off lights when not in use, unplugging devices, and using energy-efficient appliances can lower your utility bills. Invest in LED bulbs and consider installing a programmable thermostat. Pro tip. Use natural light and ventilation as much as possible to save on electricity and heating. 8. Use public transportation or carpool. Owning and maintaining a car can be expensive. Save money on gas, insurance, and maintenance by using public transportation, biking, or walking whenever possible. If driving is necessary, consider carpooling with colleagues or friends to share costs. Pro tip. Plan your routes to combine errands into one trip and save fuel. 9. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for budget-conscious shoppers. You can find high-quality clothing, furniture, and other items at a fraction of the cost. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. Pro tip: always inspect second-hand items for quality and functionality before buying. 10. Set savings goals. Having a clear purpose for saving can keep you motivated. Whether it's a vacation, a new gadget, or a rainy day fund, set specific and achievable goals. Break them down into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress. Pro tip: automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit into a separate savings account. 11. Reduce debt. High-interest debt can eat into your savings. Prioritize paying off credit card balances and loans as quickly as possible. Use methods like the snowball or avalanche technique to tackle your debts systematically. Pro tip: consider consolidating your debt to lower interest rates and simplify payments. 12. Make use of free resources. Libraries are a fantastic resource for free books, movies, and even events. Many community centers offer free or low-cost classes, workshops, and activities. Take advantage of these resources to save money on entertainment and learning. Pro tip: check local community boards and social media for free events in your area. 13. Be mindful of small purchases. Small expenses, like daily coffee runs or convenience store snacks, can add up over time. Make your coffee at home and carry snacks with you to avoid impulse buys. Pro tip: track these small expenses for a month to see how much they really cost you. 14. Practice minimalism. The less you buy, the less you spend, it's that simple. Adopt a minimalist mindset by focusing on quality over quantity and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. Decluttering your space can also help you appreciate what you already have. Pro tip: sell or donate items you no longer need to earn extra cash or help someone else. 15. Take advantage of discounts. Students, seniors, and military personnel often qualify for discounts. Always ask if a discount is available when making a purchase. Keep an eye out for coupons, promo codes, and deals online. Pro tip: use browser extensions like Honey to automatically find discounts when shopping online. 16. Grow your own food. Gardening can be a fun and rewarding way to save money on groceries. Even if you don't have a yard, you can grow herbs and small plants in pots on your balcony or windowsill. Pro tip: start with easy-to-grow plants like tomatoes, lettuce, or basil. 17. Review insurance policies. Shop around for the best rates on car, home, and health insurance. Sometimes, bundling policies or switching providers can save you money. Regularly review your policies to ensure you're not paying for coverage you don't need. Pro tip: increase your deductible to lower your premium, but make sure you can afford the deductible in an emergency. 18. Save on travel. When planning a trip, book flights and accommodations early to get the best deals. Use travel rewards points and search for discount packages. Opt for off-season travel to enjoy lower prices and fewer crowds. Pro tip: pack light to avoid extra baggage fees and consider staying in budget-friendly accommodations like hostels or vacation rentals. There you have it, a collection of simple yet powerful tips to save money in your everyday life. Remember, saving money isn't about giving up what makes you happy, it's about making smarter choices to achieve your goals. Celebrate every small victory, and keep reminding yourself that the effort you put in today will pay off tomorrow. You have the power to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Let's make it happen together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.